tuna and potato fish cakes, a recipe you can whip up with ingredients you usually have laying around in the kitchen. 2 cooked potatoes, 1/4 cup of frozen peas thawed, 1 can of tuna drained, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of parsley, dill, or Italian seasoning. Mash the peas in a large bowl. Add the rest of the ingredients except the tuna and mash everything together. Then stir in the canned tuna. Now start making your cakes. Roll a ball, flatten it, and place it on a plate. It's very important at this stage to refrigerate your cakes for half an hour before you start frying them. Heat vegetable oil up in a pan and add the cakes. Flip when golden brown. When cool to touch, share with the fam. Double the recipe to have leftovers for another day. This recipe makes 8 cakes.